This is Jennifer Markarian, Manufacturing Editor at Pharmaceutical Technology. I'm joined today by Victor Hernandez, Senior Process Validation Engineer in the Department of Sustainable Engineering at EMD Millipore. He will be giving a presentation at the upcoming Interfex conference on current continuous process validation program following FDA current guidelines. Victor, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
It's important to develop a continuous validation program to make sure that you're in line with the current regulations. Are there other benefits or other reasons that it's important to do so?
Oh, yes. By establishing a very good continuous validation program, you can define, first of all, the validation structure of the corporate divisions and sites. And by defining that structure, you know how many people may compose a validation group and which support groups and also other support disciplines that are required. So you can group those and know your head counts that you need in the year and also, budgets. And then based on this, you also bring all your projects that you need to qualify or validate. And then you can distribute the work evenly within all these resources. By prioritizing, you may also, with this program, will help you to prioritize and also to establish your priorities by quarters so you can comply with the corporate goals.
Okay.
By having a very, very good continuous validation program assures that we will maintain those validated states that will maintain those high standards at all times.
Okay. So if I can summarize, one of the things this case study will do is to show how manufacturing that's not directly related to drug product manufacturing, for example, filter manufacturing, can also comply with the same standards of validation as drug product manufacturing.
That's correct. Our main goal to convince corporate to let us have this continuous validation program based on the new risk-based approaches and rationales, which is different from the past rationales, give us the opportunity also to be working with our products, which are very, very, very good products, sensitive products, since the conception of the designs, I'm talking from R&D down to final manufacture of the finished product. By using these new trends, we can shorten the validation time and shorten the validation work because we're working with products in design. We use the quality by design concept so that we work with the product and statistically we get data from design until we challenge the system in a process validation. So when we qualify or validate the system, we know the product very, very good and all the quality attributes that we require.
Very interesting.
I personally invite all principally validation department managers, quality assurance managers, engineering department managers, and facilities utilities managers. They will very, very well use this conference because most of the principles or statements that I will be providing are directed on those fields, on how to develop projects based on this current process validation and current validation guides, so they can provide their disciplines with project design features so that when they are going to establish a project, they know what kind of validation requirements they need for their project, and it will help them to budget these and also to capture all the information they may require from vendors or suppliers that will align the validation with this current validation principle.
Good. Well, Victor, thank you for sharing with us, and thank you to the audience for your attention. If you'd like to hear more on this subject, be sure to attend Victor's presentation on Wednesday, April 24th at 1:30 p.m. at Interfex. Thanks again.